so many small streamers I know, averaging roughly anywhere from like 10 to 50 average viewers, are getting way more subs than huge 1,000 viewer Andes. And here's why. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. My name is Kat, and I'm going to be going into the video and explain how you can get more subscribers. And again, disclaimer, don't treat subscribers differently than people who don't have as much money to spend. Your viewers are your viewers, and everybody is precious in their own way, and it leaves a bad taste in my mouth when people treat those who have more money to spend differently than the other regular Joe Schmo broke college kid that's watching a stream. Be fair. But yeah, so first, make a sub goal. Once I made my sub goal, my subscribers literally like tripled, and everyone else I've talked to who I've given the advice to go make a sub goal, they have found the same increase in their subs. And here's why. Having that goal on stream will motivate people to go and subscribe to you. And when you have added things like an urgency or an incentive, there is that extra push to go and subscribe. I have definitely gifted some subs in people's channels because they simply had a sub goal. So it is very, very, very effective, and please go add one. To make the sub goal more effective, it's more helpful if, like what I just mentioned, there is an urgency or an incentive. By urgency, I mean a time urgency, such as a daily sub goal, a weekly sub goal, or a monthly sub goal. I personally use a daily sub goal, but it is completely up to you for whatever you would like to use. Just make sure that you can hit the goal. So if you have like a daily sub goal of 100, but you're getting like maybe 2 subs per stream, maybe tone that number down just a little bit. But also, once you constantly are hitting that sub goal stream after stream after stream after stream, then maybe you want to go and increase it a little bit. The second one is an incentive. So for instance, I had one where when I hit 1,000 subs, I would do a 24-hour stream and turn my brother into a cat girl. And a lot of people wanted to see my brother as a cat girl, so we kind of ended up hitting that one. Other ideas, for instance, doing a 24-hour stream, doing a cosplay stream, trying out a new game. And again, I have to say this, but I don't even know why I have to say this, but please just do what you said you would do. You will break the trust of your community if you don't deliver on what you promised. Secondly, give people a reason to subscribe to you. I know people who will literally subscribe to streamers, not even watching the streamer, but simply because they have really lit emotes. So it might be worth investing into a good emote artist, and don't just come up with some like regular Joe Schmo emotes that, you know, everyone else will have. One that I really like, by Eliax or Callie, she literally has a 3-part hot dog emote, and it's something I've never seen before, and I love the hot dog emote. I just spam it everywhere. So having good emotes is literally one reason why people would subscribe to you. Another reason is a special role in the Discord channel. People love being special, so if you just give them a reason to be special, they will go subscribe to you for that. Third, a channel point multiplier. Tier 1 subs get a 1.2 times multiplier, Tier 2 gets a 1.5, and Tier 3 gets a 2-time channel point multiplier. If your channel points are very lit and very dope, people will be willing to subscribe just to get the multiplier so they can get more channel points. I know there's people like Awkward Hates Me or Kate in my stream who was subscribed to me for, I believe Kate's still subscribed, but who subscribed to me for the multiplier to try to get the 100,000 channel point reward of VIP, and they got it. So if you have really lit and hard to get channel point rewards, people would be willing to subscribe just to get the multiplier. So you gotta go think about how to get some more channel points. If you guys want me to make a video about doing channel points, how to make them look good, icons for them, and you know how to use channel points to go and garner engagement in your stream, let me know. Also, one thing you could do if you have artistic or musical talent is to go either sing or draw your subscribers. I did this during my subathon. I can't sing, but I can draw. So I would just draw everybody who gifted subs on a big poster board, and we ended up using 2 poster boards. So it's somewhere in my basement. I still have the posters. It's just not in my room right now because I need to clean my room because it's still too cluttered. But other people that I know, they'll do a song request because they're musically talented for gifted subs or subscribers. Also, sub-only events. I'm a little bit iffy on this one because I personally don't like to make my streams very pay to win, in my opinion. But at the same time, sub-only events are a way to go and, foster a community within your subscribers and give more back to those who actually are financially investing into your stream. So examples with this is priority in joining games with you, or what some streamers do are sub wars, where they will play with their subs versus another streamer and their subs and just compete for that and use that to make content. And it's really fun for everybody that's participating. 3, specialized alerts. So what I mean by this is a special alert that's different than your regular alerts for subscribing and for gifting subs. This again will motivate people to go subscribe to you because they want to hear that special alert. I have an alert that's a little bit sus, but I mean, this is my 5 gifted subs alert. Who in their right mind does not like false? Yeah, it's a little bit sus, but people will subscribe simply because they want to hear it, so it works. And it's just another added layer onto making people who subscribe and who gift subs feel a little bit more special. And again, like I mentioned prior, if you're musically talented, you can go and sing for those who gift X amount of subs. And 4th, transparency with the money. People are way more likely to part with their money. I am way more likely to part with my money if I know where my money is going. So again, people are more likely to support a good cause rather than, I don't know, you blowing all your money and buying a new pair of Yeezys, okay? So for instance, if you spend the money on buying new equipment, make that very apparent. Be like, hey guys, you guys helped with all the subscribers we got recently. I was able to get this brand new headset, so now I can hear the game better and I look cute. Or you could be like, with this new subscriber money, I was able to buy a new microphone so I no longer sound like I'm talking through Satan's booty hole. Woo! And people will know that you're putting the money into good causes and they'll be more likely to support you. I make it pretty apparent that with the subscriber money that I get, I blow it all on boba. So people, it's in a way a meme on my channel in which people will subscribe to me simply because they want to help fund my boba fund. So thanks guys, this was on you. And the biggest discrepancy that I see between small streamers and big streamers is that small streamers, averaging 10 to 50 average viewers, will do all these things with a sub goal. And because they have a way more personal relationship with the community, they're more in tune with their community, and they are more of friends than just a horde of pog champs watching a streamer play a video game. People are way more likely to support and subscribe to a small streamer because they feel like they're helping their friend out, how they're supporting their friend stream. Whereas with these big streamers who are extremely cracked at a game, there's a very big disconnect between the streamer themselves and the rest of chat. So the chat doesn't quite know the streamer personally. They're not on that personal friend level that a community with a small streamer are on. So this is why, in my opinion, very, very big streamers, and generally this applies to like pro gaming streamers or ex-pro gaming streamers who are extremely cracked at a game, but there's just that personality and like community disconnect between them and chat. This is why they get way less subs than a very personable small streamer that is very in tune and one with their community. But yeah, again, hopefully this video helped. And again, lastly, disclaimer again, please don't treat subscribers any differently than somebody who can't spend money to support your stream. They're there to watch you and support you with that view, but they just don't have the extra $5 to drop. I hate it when people treat others differently because of how much money they've spent. Drives me insane. But yeah, again, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I would appreciate it if you guys check me out on Twitch because I am a full-time streamer now, so I do stream 5 days a week on Twitch, and it's linked down below. And again, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Dab.